Kyle here for WraptorSkinz, and today I'll be showing you how to apply one of our skins to an Oculus Go. Let's get started. We'll take the headset first and work on that one. So what we'll want to do is take out all these little openings for buttons and the lights. We'll just use our X-Acto knife here. And you could do this with a kitchen knife if you wanted to, or something pokey just to kind of get up underneath of it. Don't forget about this little tiny one for the power indicator. I think we're good on that one. So we'll do the top first. So I'll take this middle piece off. And what we'll want to do is we're going to use the top part of the headband to help us align the skin up. You can also use the power button and indicator to make sure you're on target. So there we go. Now it gets a little tricky because of the headband here, but what I found easiest is you flip this down away from where you're applying the skin. And you take your skin like this and slide it underneath, pulling it taut and then kind of just pushing it down. That way you don't get any wrinkles and you can make sure that everything lines up pretty good there. Same thing for this side. We'll push that down, kind of slide this underneath. Apply this a little bit more down so it sticks a little bit better. And there we go. And always remember, push to the outside of the skin. If there's ever any bubbles or disformities, just push to the outside and those will slowly work out. So we'll flip it over and do the bottom. Again, if you haven't noticed, there's a little hole here that we'll have to de-trash. So I believe it's right here. Get rid of that. And don't forget about your headphone jack, your 3.5mm headphone jack here. Get that out of the way. And we'll basically do the same thing. I'm going to use that microphone here to help me line this up. That nose piece kind of helps us stay lined up too. There we go, that seems pretty good. And the same process that we used on the top, we'll use on the bottom. We'll flip that down, kind of slide this underneath, pulling it tight. Same thing for this side. Sliding this down and pulling tight. We'll just run my, whoops, got some folds here, so we'll take care of those. And always work to the outside and just take your time, no reason to rush. There we go. So we got our bottom applied. So we're going to apply this piece on the front. We're going to use the edges to kind of guide us. And this piece is pretty easy as far as trying to understand where it's going to be lined. Just take your time and slowly apply it down and make sure you follow on those bottom and top lines. We'll just work these bubbles and wrinkles out. We got our top piece put on, or our front piece I should say. So that takes care of the headset. We'll move on to our remote here. And we got a little piece that's going to be on this plastic part. We don't want to put it on the sensor, so make sure that you apply it outside of that sensor. We're going to do the same thing. We'll just take out the buttons here. This one too. And put your skin off. And the same thing's going to happen on this side. We'll just use the lines of the controller to help us. I like using the buttons. So there we go. Got that there. That's how you apply a WraptorSkinz skin to the Oculus Go. Visit our website at WraptorSkinz.com.